In any piece of writing, the way the author conveys their message, known as the writer's tone, and the perspective from which they write, referred to as the point of view, are crucial elements that shape the reader's experience and understanding of the text. Understanding these concepts is essential for analyzing written works effectively, whether they are literary, academic, or journalistic. Tone refers to the attitude of the writer towards the subject or the audience. This can be conveyed through the choice of words, the structure of sentences, and the kind of information emphasized in the text. Tone can vary widely. It might be serious, humorous, sarcastic, passionate, or neutral, among others. Recognizing the tone helps readers grasp the emotional context of the text, which can significantly influence the message's impact. Point of view, on the other hand, pertains to the position or perspective from which the story is told or information is presented. It determines whose eyes the story is seen through and whose thoughts and feelings are directly known to the reader. Common points of view in writing include first person, where the narrator uses I or we, second person, which employs you, and is less common in narrative writing, and third person, which uses he, she, it, or they, and can be limited to one character's thoughts or omniscient, where the narrator knows all characters' thoughts and feelings. To illustrate these concepts, consider the following sample passage from a fictional narrative. Never had the streets of Paris looked so inviting as they did that evening. The golden hues of the setting sun reflected off the windows, casting a warm glow that made every passerby look as if they were bathed in honey. I couldn't help but smile as I watched children chasing pigeons across the cobblestones, their laughter mingling with the distant hum of the evening rush. In this passage, the tone is warm and nostalgic, indicated by descriptive language that evokes a sense of beauty and peace, such as golden hues, warm glow, and bathed in honey. The author's positive attitude towards the scene is clear, aiming to evoke similar feelings of appreciation and warmth in the reader. The point of view here is first person, as seen from the use of I. This perspective allows the reader to see Paris through the narrator's eyes and share in their personal reflections and joy. It creates a more intimate connection between the narrator and the reader, making the described scene more vivid and personal. Understanding the tone and point of view not only enriches the reader's engagement with the text but also enhances their comprehension and ability to interpret the author's messages. As readers become more adept at identifying these elements, they gain deeper insights into the text's purpose and the author's intent, leading to a more fulfilling reading experience. In conclusion, tone and point of view are foundational elements in writing that significantly affect how information is communicated and received. By mastering the ability to identify and analyze these elements, students can enhance their literary analysis skills and develop a greater appreciation for the nuances of written communication.
This has been a production of D&J Designs and Mathman 1962. Click the subscribe button to be notified when new videos are added. Find free adult education instructional materials at edtech.dnjdesigns.org.